This is the first problem. The volume of a hall is 475 meter cube. The area of wall is 200 meter square. Area of floor and ceiling each is 100 meter square. If absorption coefficient of the wall, ceiling and floor are 0.025, 0.02 and 0.55 respectively. Calculate the reverberation time for the hall. So this is the first problem. Already I sent solution also. So I am giving this pen option, color option, right. So solution, from the given data, so given values I am taking here, this is volume 475 cubic meter or meter cube. So I am taking this side surface area, this side absorption coefficient. Okay. Absorption coefficient. Yes. So here area, I am taking here wall, floor, ceiling. So S1, this is S2, this is S3. Here also I am taking same wall, floor and ceiling. So this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. So wall surface area 200 meter square. You can see floor and ceiling also both are having same, each they given, this is also 100 meter square. The area of floor and ceiling each is 100 meter square. So 100 meter square I am taking. So A1, so first one wall, second one ceiling, this is wall A1, ceiling, this is A3, floor A2. You can observe. So that corresponding wall 0.025. What about floor? 0.55. What about this ceiling? Ceiling 0.02. So these are the values. Calculate the reverberation time. So principle, T is equal to 0.165 V by sigma AS, sigma AS. So 0.165 V by, so sigma AS we can write A1 S1 plus A2 S2 plus A3 S3. Substituting all the values, 0.165 volume 473 whole divided by A1 S1. So 200 into 0.025 plus 100 into 0.55 plus 100 into 100 into, what is that value? 0.02. 0.02. So this is equal to reverberation time, T is equal to 1.264 seconds. Using the calculator, you can do it. So that is 1.264 seconds. So this is the first problem. Next to second problem. You observe here, a hall has a volume of 12,500 meter cube and reverberation time of 1.5 seconds. If 200 cushioned chairs are additionally placed in the hall, what will be the new reverberation time of the hall? The absorption of each chair is 1 OWU, open window unit. Open window unit. So solution from the given data, volume V is equal to 12,500 meter cube. So reverberation time T1 1.55 seconds. So 1.55 seconds. So it has before adding cushion chairs and after adding cushion chairs. I am taking two types of problems here. So this is before adding the cushion chairs. Before adding principal 0.165 volume by sigma AS. So from this relation, sigma AS is equal to 0.165 volume 12,500 by T1. So this is sigma AS is equal to 0.165 V by capital T1. So T1 value 1.55. This is equal to 1,375. Not this is seconds. In your notes, I send it to that is seconds, but this is OWU, open window unit. Open window unit. So second one, after adding cushion chairs. After adding cushion chairs. So after adding for each cushion chair having each reverberation time, each chair that is A1 S1 is equal to 1 OWU, open window unit. For 200 chairs, that is equal to 200 into A1 S1, this is 200 into 1. So this is 200 OWU, open window unit. So reverberation time, you can take here. So reverberation time after adding 200 chairs, calculate that reverberation time. So principal T2 is equal to 0.167 V by sigma AS plus 200 into A1 S1. So this is equal to 0.16. We are using this is 5, normally 5. Volume 12,500 by sigma AS. Already we have calculated 1375 plus 200 into 1. This is 200. So this is equal to T2 is equal to 1.31 seconds. 1.31 seconds. You see here, a hall has a volume of 12,500 meter cube and reverberation time of 1.5 seconds. If 200 cushioned chairs are additionally placed in the hall, what will be the new reverberation time of the hall? The absorption of each chair is 1 open window unit. From the given data, volume 12,500 meter cube before adding, so the reverberation time T1 is equal to 1.55. So principle, we can take sigma AS is equal to 0.165 V by T1. Substituting V volume value and reverberation time, we get sigma AS is equal to 1,375 open window unit. After adding 200 cushioned chairs, each chair absorption A1S1, that is 1 OWU, open window unit. For 200, that is 200 into 1, that is 200 into A1S1, that is 200 into 1, 200 OWU. At this moment, calculate T2 value. T2 is equal to 0.165 V by sigma AS into this sigma AS plus 200 into A1S1. So 0.165 into 12,500 by sigma AS. This is 1375. This is 200 into 1, 200. So calculating, we get T2 is equal to 1.31 seconds. So third problem, very important for 2 marks asked problem. So this is a cinema hall has a volume of 7,500. So it has asking 2 types. So this is 5,000 meter cube. This is 1.25 seconds. 2 times it will asked. One is 5,000 meter cube, 1.25 reverberation time. Next, another time 7,500 meter cube and also asked 1.5. So I am discussing a cinema hall has a volume of 5,000 meter cube. What should be the total absorption in the hall if the reverberation time of 1.25 seconds is to be maintained? So solution, you see here, solution, given values, volume, I am taking here 5,000 meter cube. Reverberation time T is equal to 1.25 seconds. 1.25 seconds. So calculate sigma AS total absorption. Principle, total absorption sigma AS is equal to 0.165 V by T. 0.165 V 5,000 by T 1.25. So sigma AS is equal to 660 open window unit. Open window unit. So this is third problem. For volume, another problem 7,500 and 1.5, that is homework. You do yourself, that is homework. So third problem, the cinema hall has a volume of 5,000 meter cube. What should be the total absorption in the hall if the reverberation time of 1.25 seconds is to be maintained? So that is 660 open window unit. This is the problem. For your homework problem, a cinema hall has a volume of 7,500 meter cube. What should be the total absorption in the hall if the reverberation time of 1.5 seconds is to be maintained? You calculate yourself. That is homework. I will ask tomorrow what is the answer. Okay. So next problem. Fourth problem. Fourth one. The volume of an auditorium is 9,500 cubic meter. Cubic meter means meter cube. Cubic meter. The period of reverberation is found to be 1.5 seconds. This is T. Calculate the total absorption in the auditorium. If the floor of the auditorium is now covered with carpets, whereby the total absorption is found to have increased by 100 subions. Calculate the new period of reverberation. So calculate the new period of reverberation, that is reverberation time we should calculate the reverberation time. So solution, from the given data, given volume is equal to 9,500 meter cube. So at this moment, reverberation time 1.5 seconds. It has two types of problems. Before carpet is covered on the floor. So before, we can calculate sigma AS. This is equal to 0.165 V by T. So this is equal to 0.165 V 9,500 by 1.5. So sigma AS is equal to 1045 open window unit. This is sigma AS. So second one, after carpet is covered on the floor. So calculate the reverberation time after covered the carpet TC, or also let this is capital T as your like. So principle T is equal to 0.165 V by sigma AS plus A1 S1, sigma AS plus A1 S1, but given A1 S1 is equal to 100 subions. So 0.165 V 9,500 by sigma AS already calculated 1045. You see here, plus A1 S1 100 subion. So T is equal to what is that value? 1.369 seconds. 1.369 seconds. So this is the fourth problem. The volume of an auditorium is 9,500 cubic meter. The period of reverberation is found to be 1.5 seconds. Calculate the total absorption in the auditorium. If the floor of the auditorium is now covered with the carpets, whereby the total absorption is found to be increased by 100 subions. Calculate the new period of reverberation. If you have any doubt in this fourth problem, please write on the chart box if you have any doubt in this fourth problem. Okay, given this is volume 9,500 meter cube, reverberation time 1.5 seconds. Before carpet is covered, principle. So substituting at the place of volume 9,500, T 1.5, we get 1045 total absorption. So this is open window unit. After carpet is covered on the floor, so the carpet covered reverberation time or general reverberation time we can calculate. So A1 S1 is equal to 100 subion. So here the total absorption is found to be increased by 100 subions. So A1 S1 adding, that is 100. Reverberation time principle 0.165 V by sigma AS plus A1 S1. This is the principle. So 0.165 volume 9,500. So sigma AS, this is 1045 plus A1 S100. So we get this is 1.369 seconds. This is the fourth problem. So last problem in unit 2. Last problem in our unit 2. A hall has dimensions 20 by 15 by 5 meter cube. The reverberation time is 3.5 seconds. Calculate the total absorption of its surfaces and the average absorption coefficient. So here also has two, total absorption and the average absorption coefficient. It has two problems in fifth problem. So solution. Volume from the given data, volume V is equal to length into breadth into height. You know very well. So this is 20 into 15 into 5 meter cube. So this is volume, given volume, 20 by 15 by 5. That is the given volume. So, and also reverberation time also given value 3.5 seconds. 3.5 seconds. Number one, total absorption. Total absorption, calculate sigma AS. So sigma AS is equal to 0.165 V by T. This is equal to 0.165 V. What is V? 20 into 15 into 5. This is V by T, 3.5. So sigma AS is equal to, what is that value? 70.714 open window unit. Open window unit. So second one, they are asking average absorption coefficient. Average absorption coefficient. Average absorption coefficient is equal to total absorption all divided by surface area. So total absorption as it is, total absorption that is sigma AS, it is represented by sigma AS, all divided by surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So this is equal to total absorption, that is 70.714 all divided by 2 into LB. L, what is L value? 20 into B value 15 plus BH 15 into 5 plus LH 20 into 5. So this is equal to 70.714 by, this is 950. 1 second. I am erasing. Okay. So 2 into something, that is 950. 950. This is equal to 0.074 subions per surface area meter square. So this is the fifth problem. You can see here, a hall has dimensions 20 by 15 by 5 meter cube. The reverberation time is 3.5 seconds. Calculate the total absorption of its surfaces and the average absorption coefficient. So given data, volume, general length into breadth into height. So given 20 into 15 into 5 meter cube, we can read 20 by 15 by 5 meter cube. So reverberation time 3.5 seconds. Total absorption is represented by sigma AS. So this is the principle. So we get 70.714. Average absorption coefficient, total absorption by surface area, total absorption sigma is surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, substituting all the values, we get 0.074 sabines per meter cube. Sabines per meter cube.